Welcome to the 1st of August, 2011. Record high, 98 degrees, set back in 1955. The record low, 41, back in 1952. We've had a high of 88 so far at the Wheeling-Ohio County Airport, but now we're beginning to get some cloud cover, and we do have some showers and thunderstorms out to the north and west. And we got a little bit of rain right now in parts of Coshocton, up into Holmes, a little bit of Tuscarawas, up into much of Stark, and then further north. What's north of Stark? Portage, and Wayne County, looking at some rain. And the hint of maybe some in parts of Beaver and Washington, but I don't know about that. We do have a few severe isolated thunderstorms. We got one rolling into across Indiana County in Pennsylvania, and also one in western parts of Westmoreland County heading down into Fayette County. Also have a few thunderstorms along the Fayette-Somerset County line. Temperatures, well, you can see there, the warm spot right now is in, Morgantown with 90. Is that right? Well, anyway. Here's our winds, 8 to 12 miles an hour, coming in generally out of the west. Dew points are high, mid to upper 60s. We did have a nice drop in the dew point for the last 2 days. As you go out to the south and west, you can see some really hot stuff. And if the winds were to continue to blow from the southwest tomorrow, we could get back into the 90s. But we expect a weak cold front is going to come through. Now, we're looking at a thunderstorm complex on a monster up here that has erupted over Minnesota. It looks like that'll track down towards Chicago and then probably fizzle. And then we have a severe thunderstorm watch for our area north of I-70 until 9 p.m. And so things could be rocking and rolling here about 2 hours, but probably not much in terms of wind. We're not looking at any line echo wave patterns or anything exciting like that. It's just kind of garden variety, isolated severe thunderstorms. So anyway, we move on to our graphic there. Look at this heat wave. It just won't not give up here. And it's not unusual. I remember summer of 1980, summer of 83, summer of 88, summer of 95, summer of 2005, just to name a few, where it was just like super hot here in the central and southern Great Plains. And this is another one of them summers, and also very dry in those locations. Dark green shows that super high humidity. You see it in the northern plains, down to about Chicago, over into Memphis, and down to Atlanta. Now down here, it's almost always super hot and humid and muggy and nasty, especially along the Gulf Coast areas from, say, Brownsville up to Corpus Christi, over to San Antonio, to Houston, to Lake Charles, Louisiana, over to the Big Easy, New Orleans, Jackson, Mississippi, almost always high humidity. Same with the southern parts of Alabama, like Montgomery and places like that, over into about Athens, up into Atlanta, and down into, that's Florida. Heat advisories, northern, central, southern Great Plains, severe weather along the northern periphery of the heat wave, and then some of the slightly cooler air is going to try to move into the area tomorrow. There's the thunderstorm complex. It looks like it's reinvigorating right now there just south of Minneapolis, not too far from Rochester, Minnesota. And there's a little big white patch showing some cooler air. So hopefully there are parts in southern Wisconsin that are getting much cooler because of the cloud cover, and they're not getting the rain, so they don't have to worry about that. Well, we move on. Here's our predictor showing a weak low pressure system is going to be moving through the western Great Lakes by 4 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. It's still going to be out to the west of the area, so we'll probably be dry for your Tuesday. And it's been dry so far today, but we do expect a few showers over the next couple of hours. And we push the button again. That'll take us from Tuesday into Wednesday. And as that low moves across the area, we do expect it will act as a triggering mechanism for showers and thunderstorms, and we'll have them possibly early Wednesday morning, maybe late Tuesday night, and on and off as we go through our day Wednesday. And then a weak bubble of high pressure coming in for Thursday, and that should drop the humidity a little bit and the high temperatures. So we probably won't see 90-degree readings. Now, if we do get a day with a 90-degree reading, it'll probably be Friday, late Friday afternoon. Here we are, 4 p.m. Friday. We're showing yet another low, getting ready to move in our direction. And we'd be getting a flow out of the south and southeast, and some hot stuff from the Mississippi Valley may try to move into our direction. And then, just about the time it gets too hot for comfort, that's when we get showers and thunderstorms erupting late Friday into Saturday, and then probably another weak bubble of high pressure coming in for Sunday. So there's our 7-day forecast. You can see the numbers, and it looks like mid to upper 80s for the most part. We're not showing any 90-degree heat, and that is fine with me. I am sick and tired of 90-degree weather. I don't know about you.